Hey folks, Paul with Marshall Business Matters. Today we're talking about why Marshall Business matters. Why the business matters. And this is a question I get from people sometimes when either I'm going through comments and I'm listening to people's responses to some of my videos, or I even get people to email me. And of course I work with coaching clients, and some of them have even asked me, why is all of this important? Why is this important? Why are you so focused on the money? Why are you so focused on the business? I just want to teach martial arts. This is my passion. This is my love. And I wanted to make a video to respond to that. Why does the business matter? Well, the business matters in martial arts because the money matters. The money matters. I say martial business matters, martial money matters. And why? Well, it comes down to the mission. What is your mission? And this is something I work with coaching clients on, to sit down and say, what is it that you're actually passionate about? What is the mission statement for your club, for your school, for your business? What is your mission? Is it to help people? Is it to retire with financial stability? Is it to develop Olympic gold medalists? What is your mission? Whatever your mission is, I promise the money will help you fulfill your mission. I'll give you myself as an example. My mission at my school is to develop black belt leaders for my community. What does it mean to be a black belt leader? Well, it means to be confident. It means to be poised. It means to be someone who has perseverance, an indomitable spirit, someone who can take life by the horns, someone who can wrestle with challenges and overcome them, someone who leads by example, a black belt leader. See, that's my mission. That's important to me. That's my passion in the martial arts, is leadership. I was not a natural born leader. I was kind of a rough and tumble kid. I was constantly getting into trouble. Martial arts changed my life for the better. It helped put me on a trajectory toward success. And so I want to do that for other people in my community. And the fact of the matter is, the reality is that if you can't pay the rent, if your school closes down, then you can't fulfill your mission. If your mission is to help people and you can't handle your finances, if your mission is to help people and you aren't running your business effectively or efficiently, then you are either not fulfilling your mission or you are not maximizing your potential to fulfill your mission. See, there are a lot of mom and pop martial arts schools out there that are kind of just trudging along. They're getting by, but getting by and getting ahead are two different things. And so often the conversation drifts, at least in my coaching, to, well, I'm doing okay. I don't really see the point in growing my school because I've got a good group of students already and we're doing just fine. Okay, well, just fine is fine, but how much better would it be if you had 15 more students, 20 more students, 30 more students, 50 more students? The reality is that the number of students you have almost always correlates to how successful you are in fulfilling your mission. So I always say start with why. Simon Sinek's book, Start With Why, is a great book on leadership and also on developing leadership, but it's also an important message. If you turn your lens back in on yourself and you look at the why of why you're doing this, why you're running a club, why you're running a school, why you're trying to turn your school into a business, then you'll almost universally come back to some sort of mission. What is your mission? Why does the business matter? Because the money matters. Because without the money, or without more of the money, you're going to have a harder time fulfilling your mission. So that's what these videos are for. That's what this channel is all about. It's about fulfilling your mission, whatever your mission is, by making your school, your business, more successful. That's why I'm here. That's why we're doing this. So remember, martial business matters because martial money matters. Stay tuned for more. If you like this video, please like, subscribe so you don't miss future updates. Ring the little bell as well. Ring the little bell so you'll get notified anytime there's a new video that comes out. New videos every week. Thank you so much. Remember, martial business matters. Martial money matters. Thank you.